In this video, I'll guide you through how to check backup photos in Google Drive. If you've ever wondered where your device photos actually go when they're being backed up, or you just want to confirm that everything is safely stored, this walkthrough will make the process simple and clear. Let's start right at the beginning by opening Google Drive. You can do this in any web browser by going to the Google Drive website and signing in with the Google account that you use to back up your photos. It's important that you're using the same account that your phone or computer is backing up to, otherwise you won't see the right files. Once you're signed in, you'll land on your main Drive page where you usually see your folders and files. Next, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a sidebar with options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and a few others. In that list, find and click on the option labeled Computers. This section is specifically for files and folders that have been backed up or synced from your devices, such as your laptop, desktop, or sometimes even mobile devices, depending on how your backups are set up. When you click on Computers, you'll see a list of devices or backed up locations that are connected with your Google account. These might be labeled with the names of your computers like My Laptop or Home PC or whatever name your device has. Take a moment to identify the device or folder that you know is being backed up. If you're not sure which one it is, think about which computer or device you turned on backup or sync for in the past. Now, select the backed up device or folder by clicking on it. This opens up the content that has been stored from that specific device. Inside, you'll usually see one or more folders that mirror the structure of your computer or device. What you're looking for here is a folder that relates to photos. Depending on your setup, this might be called Photos, Pictures, or something like a backup folder created by the backup tool you're using. Once you see the photos or backup folder inside that device, click to open it. This is where your backed up images are stored. The contents might be organized into subfolders by date, by application, or by the original folders from your device. Take your time exploring these folders so you get familiar with how your photos are arranged. This will make it much easier to find specific images in the future. From here, you can view your backed up images directly in Google Drive. Click on any photo to open it in a larger preview window. You can cycle through images, zoom in to check quality, or use the navigation arrows to move between photos. If you want to confirm that an important picture is safely backed up, just open it and make sure it appears clearly. You can also download photos from here, organize them into new folders, or rename them to keep things tidy. That's all there is to it. By opening Google Drive, going into the computer section, choosing your backed up device or folder, then opening the photos or backup folder, you can easily view and manage all of your backed up images whenever you need.